Strengthening Faith 24. In a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1660, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, mentioned the most virtuous people. This is the one who sincerely strives in the way of Allah, the Exalted. This includes striving against one's own evil desires and the evil desires of others, and instead remaining firm on the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This includes fulfilling one's duties towards Allah, the Exalted, as described, and one's duties towards people, for example, striving in this material world in order to fulfill one's needs and the needs of their dependents without waste, excessiveness or extravagance. And it includes gently commanding good and forbidding evil, according to Islamic knowledge. This will ensure one uses all the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. A Muslim will not fulfill this narration until they fulfill both aspects of their duties. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.